Visuals have emerged from Lohagarh Fort in Pune, where trekker Ketan Vishal Agarwal was allegedly pushed to his death into a deep gorge by his fiancée Sia Goel and her male friend. Shweta Verma is joining us live from Lonavla Rural Police Station. Shweta, talk us through these visuals, these fresh visuals which have emerged.
Well, that's absolutely right, Uday. In fact, this is not just appalling but shocking that has shook the entire nation. And currently where we are present is Lonavla Rural Police Station. Remember, this is the place where an ADR was registered because earlier, initially, in fact, this entire case was seemed to be a tragic accident, and later on, subsequently, when police started quietly working on this investigation, they got to know that something is deeper and murkier. Right now we can clearly see this is Lonavla Gramin Police Thane, and from here the investigating officers, the team along with the SP Sandeep Singh Gill, they actually have visited the crime spot along with the family members of Agarwal family. So clearly we see that Ketan Agarwal's father Vishal Agarwal and one of their friend and police, of course, with the forensic team, had reached there today. Since afternoon they were there, and as we are given to understand that crime recreation can take place tomorrow, most likely that it is going to happen. But as of now, while we are reporting, we also had gone to meet the Agarwal family. Now clearly they are into very emotional stage right now. All they want is the answer that why did it actually happen to Ketan Agarwal. But as we speak, we are seeing that how police promptly acted on this. The case, which was earlier registered as an accidental death report, then subsequently it turned out to be converting into an FIR filed by the family members of Ketan Agarwal. And as the Pune Rural Police proceeded with their investigation, the alleged prime accused Sia Goel as well as Chetan Chaudhary are being arrested, and they have been sent to police remand till 29th of June, where further police would be questioning them.
All right, stay with us. More breaking news, in fact, now coming in. Crime reconstruction is to be carried out tomorrow as investigators look to recreate the sequence of events to gain deeper clarity into the case. When is the recreation expected to be carried out, Shweta, of the crime?
Well, that's right, Uday. In fact, this is the exclusive information what we are sharing with our NewsX viewers, that in this particular case, which is murkier and that has shook the nation, where Ketan Agarwal, whose death was first seemed to be an accident, has turned out to be a cold-blooded murder. Now, on this thing, we have seen that how Pune Rural Police was investigating the matter, and tomorrow is going to be a crucial day where Pune Rural Police would be creating the crime spot. The scene recreation, what we technically call them, would be taking place tomorrow with the team of officers there. And remember that there would be a dummy body that would be carried along with them, and the kind of scene would be recreated that would exactly happen. How did they come to Lohagarh Fort? The ticket was purchased, and then they will be taking the stairs up, and they will be reaching that particular cliff, in fact, from where the we understand that the duo allegedly pushed Ketan Agarwal down, and he had fallen to his death, and this would be recreated tomorrow. This is going to be a very significant part of this entire investigation. So clearly tomorrow is marking to be a huge day in the part of investigation, where the crime recreation would be taking place with the help of team officers, and they would be reaching the spot. Even today, in fact, Vishal Agarwal, the father of Ketan Agarwal, and few family members, along with the Superintendent of Police Sandeep Singh Gill and few police officers, have, including the investigating officer, they have reached to the spot. They have taken the entire technical analysis of that particular spot, and tomorrow is going to be a huge day where they would be recreating the scene to understand further what exactly happened and how did, in fact, Ketan Agarwal had fallen into deep gorge, well said to be around 400 feet below. So clearly we understand that how the investigation panned out. FIR was registered, and then murkier details, in fact, emerged there in this entire case, where we are given to understand how one by one, piece by piece, details that has not only startled us, but it is also speaking about the mindset of Gen Z, what exactly went through Sia Goel's mind.